Theory in Las Vegas. Theory in Las Vegas, guys. Let me see your boots. I'm so fresh. I did a little touch up today on my makeup. I'm proud of myself. Absolutely proud of myself. As it was, you know it's not the same as
How you take to record? I'm single, I'm ready to mingle.
but she's not.
Yes, I am.
She's not.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Gets powered up by coal and gas. We don't even mine it here. And that gets transported from Wyoming, Western Hemisphere. So don't confuse with the real lakes. This one's man-made. And it is a Colorado River. It feeds by Colorado River. The river flows through 7 different states. Spins the turbines, generates the power. Gives light to over 8 million homes. And Lake Mead is water source to over 20 million people.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Moonlight, all the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta.
Talk to over them. That's where we're going. Vegas is a desert, guys. A desert full of rocks.
Take it of me. Talk all day, then at night, falling deep. Stimulate me. I want you mental and physically. Hurry, long time.
Arizona. What's the time? The dam? Oof. And in time zone. So just 1 hour ahead of Las Vegas. So I'm currently in Arizona. today is the last day in Las Vegas. Today's the last day, guys, and I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I'm gonna miss the space because I had a great time. I had a splendid time here. I'm still going to miss the space. These casinos. I tried to play a game, but I'm not ready to lose, so I didn't play like that to gamble. So I will cry if I lose. So I didn't even bother to gamble at all. But a lot of risk taker here. Anyhow, I'm by myself. I went downstairs to take some cute pictures for the gram. I hope they come out well. I know, guys, I've not been talking to you guys. It's been a while, but I've just been having a great time. Oh my gosh, this automatic, this automatic vacuum keeps following me. And yeah, I'll be having a great time. So I don't have the time to pick up my camera and say I'm going back to my room right now. I need to rest. I need to pack my luggage. I need to do a lot of things. So fine. That's it, guys. See you back in Houston. I decided to explore more. I wanted to go back to my room, but I changed my mind last minute. I'm like, come on, this is the last day, walk around. So I'm walking around right now. I'm on my own right now. I hope I don't get lost. I'm trying to look around so that I can find my way back. Wish me luck. Right now, when you're in Vegas, you're going to do a lot of walking. Quite a lot of walking. Uber is expensive. Do you want to see check out the view? From Lexo, I can go to Excalibur. What are the chances? I'm out of breath. Damn. I was just in my hotel Lexo and now I'm in Excalibur. I'm on my own. I don't know how many times I'll say that, but I'm literally on my own now. I hope I don't get lost. I'll find my way back. This is the last day, so I just want to explore a little more while. Just want to explore a little bit. So guys, I think I wasn't going to go out again, but look at me going out again. Today's the last day in Las Vegas and we just had to flex all the way.
I used to be quiet, and I brought I'm a renegade boy. I'm a Rena boy. I'm a Rena boy. I'm a Rena.
Oh my god, guys, I'm bringing premium content from Las Vegas. Look at this place. It's giving I'm in Italy. Yeah, it's giving I'm in Italy. So beautiful. Yeah, this is so beautiful, guys. Las Vegas is beautiful.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. No. I'm gonna sleep on the street when I fuck up. I should've known how to pick up. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tipsy. I had enough combo for 24. I picked you from a Roswell room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you are the fucking I need to get you alone. Why not? Fucking good time, never hurt nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not for party. You love me, girl, I'm so sorry. Gotta give it to you like we in a hurry. Oh, we in a hurry. Now, girl, nobody. You and your level too. Tryna do what
Feeling like I'm fresh out boost. If they want the drama.
I'm kind of sad that I have to go back home, but you know, you have to go back to reality. What choice do I have? I need to make money. My view, guys. This is my view right now. So I'm enjoying myself right here. Like, I don't want to go back home. Vacation is over. I need to do them places. I'm having the best night. I'm so happy. I'm so refreshed. Like, throughout this trip, my skin have been glowing. I need more trips like this.
True, you're a star in my head. You, I need to raise war with my friends. True, you're so bad, I need to be time, but I don't want war with you or my friend. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. He said you, or we can party, yeah. Because true, you're my best friend. Follow me around, I know you. I got money on me, I know you. I got money in my pocket, I know you. Pain goes away when I'm dizzy. Pain goes away when you're with me. Even when your shadows a little risky, it's all out of control. Just don't let this go. Just don't let this go. He's been left in summer dawn. Spend the summer on the road. True, you're a star in my head. Is it true, June? I need to raise water with my friends. No.
They can't even see your face.
Yes, they can. Because you can.
It's just dark. Look.
Say the break.
Focus. See, they could see me because of the light. This light is on my face.
That is on my face too. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? I'm putting her to you guys because she's been We're up. We're about to ride that right now. Come with us to ride a Ferris wheel. Oh my god, I'm so scared. We're going to go up in the sky. Yeah. To ride a Ferris wheel. I'm so scared. My dad's like, have you seen? Excited though. I'm really excited. Damn guys, I'm giving you guys premium content. Premium. We are up, guys.
Raise a glass to cheer on our fellow high rollers partying with us tonight at the Wheelhouse, in the cabins, and on the high roller, who are now viewing the rest of Vegas, because we all know what's fun in town.
We are, oh my god, that's so cool, yeah. So beautiful. We are moving.
And grab a few shots of the strip, because thousands of fellow partiers on the ground are doing the same. But you're soaring above, here on the high roller.
This is so pretty, guys. We're literally in the sky. So pretty.
Check out the glamour across the street. Did you know the Coliseum is as your high roller experience amps up starting right now.
So cool. Street light too. Content. I just came for this. Like, I literally came for this. So pretty. This is amazing, guys. Literally amazing. It's football. Party, party. guys, I'm giving you guys premium content all the way from Nevada.
Girl, bye.
Premium
More
things.
like cheap.
This is not cheap. This is luxury. Are you?
This is luxury.
Yeah, this is luxury. Premium content, guys.
What is premium?
Check that out.
Ooh.
Something you pay for. Guys, look at, I'm close to the space. People, come show your face. Come show us. Oh, that's a snake. He's moving. Damn. Come over here, snake. Did they know that we're up here? Oh. So cute. Continue singing. Sing. Sing. Come on now.
How do you try to catch me? Ooh.
Stay in the sky. Check out. That's my view, guys. That's literally my view. So cute. Look at my face. Having the best time. Just having to see a young. Hi. You were about to yawn. It's like I took it out.
Did you really?
Yeah, I did.
You caught me yawning.
No.
Midway.
Guys, we're in the sky. 500 feet, right?
150.
150. No, it's more than that.
550.
550 high in the sky.
You're stuck here. Imagine if you
Oh, no, no, no,
Final
no, no.
destination.
Go for beat. Go for beat. Wash yourself. Watch yourself. Better wash yourself.
Oh, sorry. Into the
Been like it's giving.
This is definitely Vegas.
This is Vegas, full of colorful looking lights. Party all night.
Funny love again. Funny love again.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Stays in Vegas, guys. What happened in Vegas stays in Vegas. What happened in Vegas stays in Vegas. Whoa, these lights are crazy. Quite a lot of lights. I can see our pyramid. Where's the pyramid? Over there? Ooh. Okay, guys. Look at that pyramid. Let me zoom in. See that? That looking pyramid over there? Yeah. That's my hotel. That's where we're staying. This pyramid over there. that, guys. Check this out. Vivo, come over here. Come see. This is premium content.
We're on the top now. That's blue, that's red, that's gold. It's crazy.
See what I'm doing, Vivo? Vegas, I'm going to miss you so much. We are going to miss you so much.
Not really.
Yes, really. She's going to miss it more. 10 over 10. Clock it. Clock it.
I'm trying to be as Genesis.
Clock it. Clock it. No, that was a wonderful ride. I saw a lot of stuff, man. I saw the whole city of Las Vegas. I saw the whole Vegas. That was crazy. And then the Spare, oh my gosh, guys, you have to visit this place. I enjoyed every second of it. Standing next to you, standing in the corner next to you. Guys, we're checking out from Lexus. Gonna use this place. This is my feet. Checking out from Lexus. Can't wait to go home now, to be honest. Can't stop the feeling. I'm going to miss this place so much. Going back home, we're going back home. We're going back home, we're going back home. Check this out, casino in the airport. There's a casino in every corner of Vegas. Every corner of Vegas, there is a casino. This is my look for the airport. I didn't do much. Yeah, this is my look. And this is Favor's look. How much and everything.
I'm so mad. I didn't put brown sugar on myself. Pissed off.
The fun is over. Back to work. Back to the hustle. Back to making money so that I can go to more trips. And also, I want to visit California. Yeah, That will be my next trip. Yeah, I'll see you back home. I'm just waiting for us to board the plane. Taking Starbucks. What are the chances, guys? The green straw is matching with my outfit. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bye.
Seem to take a step out, kiss her head now, let your edge out.